Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics of Standard 8th, chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root. As earlier we all studied laws of indices as you can see on the screen. Now today we will learn some more concepts in indices. First we will see meaning of numbers with rational indices. First, meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. In general, nth root of a is expressed as a raised to 1 upon n. For example, in general, square of a can be written as a square and square root of a is written as under root of a or a raised to 1/2. Similarly, cube of a is written as a cube and cube root of a is written as cube root of a or a raised to 1 upon 3 as you can see on the screen. Now we will solve practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in index form. First, fifth root of 13. So answer will be 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Second, sixth root of 9. So answer will be 9 raised to 1 upon 6. Third, square root of 256. So answer will be 256 raised to 1 upon 2. Fourth, cube root of 17. So answer will be 17 raised to 1 upon 3. Fifth, eighth root of 100. Answer will be 100 raised to 1 upon 8. Sixth, seventh root of 30. So answer will be 30 raised to 1 upon 7. Question number 2. Write in the form of nth root of a in each of the following numbers. First, 81 raised to 1 upon 4. So we can write fourth root of 81. Second, 49 raised to 1/2. So answer will be square root of 49 or second root of 49. Third, 15 raised to 1 upon 5. So answer will be fifth root of 15. Fourth, 512 raised to 1 upon 9. So answer will be ninth root of 512. Fifth, 100 raised to 1 upon 19. So answer will be 19th root of 100. Sixth, 6 raised to 1 upon 7. So answer will be 7th root of 6. Now we will see the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. Generally, we can express two meanings of the number a raised to m upon n. A raised to m upon n equal to a raised to m in bracket raised to 1 upon n means nth root of mth power of a, or a raised to m upon n equal to a raised to 1 upon n in bracket raised to m means mth power of nth root of a. Some more examples we will learn in practice set 3.2. Now first we will solve question number 1 of practice set 3.2. Complete the following table. In the table, number is given. We have to write power of the root and root of the power. First is solve for you all. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. So power of the root will be cube of square root of 225 and root of the power will be square root of cube of 225. Now second example, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. So power of the root will be 4th power of 5th root of 45 and root of the power will be 5th root of 4th power of 45. Now third example, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. So answer will be 6th power of 7th root of 81 and 7th root of 6th power of 81. Now fourth, 100 raised to 4 upon 10. So answer will be 4th power of 10th root of 100 and 10th root of 4th power of 100. Now fifth, 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Then answer will be 3rd power of 7th root of 21 and 7th root of 3rd power of 21. You can also write cube of 7th root of 21 or 7th root of cube of 21. Now we will move on to question number 2nd of practice set 3.2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. First, square root of 5th power of 121. So answer will be 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Second, cube of 4th root of 324. So answer will be 324 raised to 3 upon 4. Now third, 5th root of square of 264. So answer will be 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Fourth, cube root of 3. So answer will be 3 raised to 3 upon 3.